Hello, I'm WorkSafetyGuru. Have you ever wondered why a factory needs more than just a fire extinguisher? Machine guards are great, hard hats are essential, but what about that chemical reactor at the facility's heart? A tiny wrong closure of a valve there could lead to a disaster that affects an entire city. Think of the 1947 Texas City disaster, one of the largest industrial catastrophes in U.S. history. A fire on a single ship carrying ammonium nitrate led to a massive explosion, killing over 581 people. That devastating event showed the world the true cost of process failure. That's why today we're going to talk about process safety management, PSM, known as the Formula 1 of work safety. Our goal? Not zero accidents, but zero catastrophes. What is PSM? Why just a fire drill isn't enough? Process safety management is a vital system for industries dealing with hazardous chemicals and energy. PSM goes beyond a simple fire drill. It aims to analyze potential catastrophe scenarios hundreds of steps before they occur. At the core of PSM lie four main questions. 1. What are the hazards in our facility? 2. What happens if these occur? 3. How do we prevent them? 4. If they do occur, how do we mitigate the consequences? This isn't just about following rules, it's disaster engineering. The heart of hazard analysis, the HAZOP method. The heart of PSM, and the most technical and interesting part, is HAZOP, or Hazard and Operability Study. This is a brainstorming session where a group of engineers asks, what happens if this valve operates in reverse, or if the pressure in this tank is much more than normal? They use guide words to do this. For example, for a chemical flowing through a pipe, they say, no flow, and check whether the valves automatically close in that situation. This is a disciplined method for the human mind to design for the worst-case scenarios. Other cornerstones of PSM. PSM isn't just about HAZOP. Mechanical integrity, MI, guarantees that all equipment, valves, pipes, tanks, is always working properly. If a valve rusts, it jeopardizes the entire system. Management of change, MOC, means that even a small alteration in your facility can have massive consequences. Before making a change to a system, you must analyze how it affects safety. Management of change, MOC, means that even a small alteration in your facility can have massive consequences. Before making a change to a system, you must analyze how it affects safety. Emergency planning is crucial. If all precautions fail, you must know what to do. A well-planned evacuation and response plan, even covering the public outside the facility, is what prevents a disaster from becoming a catastrophe. Adopting PSM culture. To sum up, process safety management is not just about expensive equipment or thick manuals. It's about adopting a culture of managing everything, from the smallest change to the biggest malfunction, as a potential catastrophe. Remember, the more complex a facility is, the more vital it becomes to have systems that eliminate human error. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications for new technical analyses and safety expertise. See you in the next video. Stay safe.